Welcome back to your on-site construction update. Today is the 1st of May, 2026, and what a day it is to be standing here on this incredible project. Every single corner of this site is buzzing with activity, with crews working in perfect coordination, machinery humming at full capacity, and progress that you can quite literally see and feel in the air. This is not just construction. This is history being built beam by beam, panel by panel, floor by floor. So without further delay, let's take you through everything that is happening on site today, starting from the very top, the roof. Today on the roof, we are witnessing one of the most technically demanding and visually impressive phases of this entire project. The arrival and installation of brand new roof panels and the complex lifting operation that is getting them all the way up there. A fresh batch of large-scale roof panels has been delivered directly to the site surface today. These panels are precision-engineered, manufactured off-site to exact specifications, and brought in ready for installation. The sheer size and weight of each panel means that getting them from ground level up to the roof is no small feat. It is a carefully choreographed operation that demands expertise, timing, and the right heavy equipment working in perfect sync. The primary method being used today for this vertical movement is a combination of high-capacity cranes, dedicated lifting systems, and on-site elevators, all working together to safely and efficiently elevate these panels from the ground surface up to the roof level. The cranes you can see positioned around the structure are not just any cranes. These are heavy lift cranes, specifically configured for this kind of precision panel lifting. Each lift is calculated down to the last kilogram, with rigging teams on the ground securing the panels with industrial-grade slings and shackles before the crane operator begins the slow controlled ascent. Once a panel is rigged and ready, the signal is given, and you watch this enormous piece of roofing material rise steadily off the ground, slowly clearing the lower levels of the structure, climbing past the midsections, and finally reaching roof height, where a waiting crew of steelworkers and roof installation specialists guide it precisely into position. Communication between the ground riggers, the crane operator, and the roof-level crew is constant. Radio communication is non-stop, ensuring that every movement is safe and every panel lands exactly where it needs to be. In addition to the cranes, the on-site elevator system is playing a critical support role today. While the cranes handle the heaviest and largest panels, the elevator system is being used to move supporting materials, tools, hardware, and smaller components up to the roof level. This parallel operation means that the roof crew never has to wait. Materials are flowing up continuously, keeping the installation pace steady and efficient. What makes today particularly significant is the volume of panels being lifted. This is not a one or two panel day. Multiple lifts are being executed in sequence, with the crane resetting and re-rigging between each one. The coordination required is remarkable. Ground crews, lifting teams, structural engineers, and safety supervisors are all on site and actively engaged, making sure that every single panel reaches the roof safely and is placed with structural precision. Once a panel reaches roof level, it is not simply dropped into place. The roof installation team carefully positions each panel, aligning it with the structural framework beneath. Bolting, welding, and sealing processes follow immediately, integrating each new panel permanently into the growing roof structure. The roof is taking shape rapidly, and today's progress represents a major leap forward in closing up the top of this building, moving the entire project one significant step closer to full structural completion. This roof panel lifting and installation phase is one of the defining visual moments of this construction project, and today it is running at full speed. Shifting focus now to the exterior of the stadium, where another major and highly visible phase of work is well underway. The installation of the fade panels across the stadium's outer skin. The fade panel installation is the process that will ultimately define the visual identity of this stadium from the outside. These are the panels that the public will see, that will appear in every photograph, every broadcast shot, and every aerial view of the finished structure. Getting them right is critical, and today, the teams on site are doing exactly that. Panels are being positioned and fixed along designated sections of the stadium exterior in a methodical, grid-by-grid approach. Each fade panel is brought to its mounting position using a combination of lifting equipment and manual handling by the fade installation crew, specialists who work at height with precision tools to ensure every panel is level, plumb, and perfectly aligned with its neighbors. The fixing system being used for these fade panels involves a combination of structural brackets and mechanical fasteners that lock each panel securely to the building's subframe. This is not decorative cladding loosely attached. These panels are engineered to withstand wind loads, thermal expansion and contraction, and the long-term structural demands of a major public stadium, giving those parts of the stadium a finished, polished exterior appearance. The transformation is dramatic and immediate, and it gives a very real sense of what this stadium is going to look like when it stands complete. Moving now to the mid-level zones of the stadium interior, and here the activity is just as intense, just as purposeful, and just as impressive as what we are seeing above and below. Scaffolding structures currently occupy significant portions of the stadium's mid-level areas, providing the safe working platforms that allow crews to access the upper interior walls, ceiling sections, and structural elements that would otherwise be completely out of reach. This scaffolding is not temporary in the casual sense. It is a fully engineered temporary work system, precisely erected to serve the multiple trades that are working in the zone simultaneously. The elevator fitting work at mid-level is progressing steadily today. The elevator shafts within the stadium structure are receiving their mechanical and structural components. Guide rails, counterweight systems, shaft linings, and the early-stage cabin fitting elements are all being integrated into the shaft spaces. These are not simple passenger lifts. The elevators being installed here are designed to move large numbers of spectators efficiently, as well as serve operational and service functions throughout the building's life. Painting work is also well underway across the mid-level sections. Crews equipped with professional spray systems and roller equipment are applying base coats and finishing layers to the interior walls and structural surfaces in this zone. The painting is progressing systematically, section by section, transforming raw concrete and steel surfaces into clean, finished interior spaces. The color palette being applied is precise, consistent with the overall design scheme, and is giving these internal areas a sense of completion that lifts the atmosphere on site considerably. The mid-level of this stadium is a hive of skilled trades, all working in concert, and the results are becoming increasingly visible with every passing day. And that is your complete on-site update for the 1st of May 2026. A day of cranes reaching skyward, fades taking shape, and interiors coming to life all at once. Stay tuned, because on this project, tomorrow is always going to be even bigger.